Hi friends, this is Elle and I'm back with another video, and on this channel I like to talk about different hairstyles and things relating to beauty, mostly hair because I'm a mobile braider in the Boston area, and I believe that if you look good you feel good, and I like to help people look good so that they can feel their best. And on this video it's about how protective styles can damage your hair and some things that you can do about it. So, protective styles cause damage to your hair in a few different ways, and a few of them is because your hair is not being washed or conditioned on a regular basis. It's not being moisturized on a regular basis, and this causes product buildup. It causes the sweat and dirt to build up, which causes scalp irritation and dandruff, and which can lead to your hair being damaged or breaking off. So some of the braided styles that could help with this, that can cause the least amount of damage. One of them, the Marley twist, and the Marley hair is actually really good because it's lightweight. You don't have to use a lot when you're doing that style, and it won't weigh your head down or di- put tension on your scalp. I've also used Marley hair to do cornrows, and I liked it because it was light and also because it matched the texture of the hair that I was braiding. The second thing you can do is you can use knotless braids. Knotless braids are done by feeding the extension into your natural hair, so there's not a lot of tension on your hair, pulling your hair from your scalp. So that will help to cause less damage. Also, you want to be aware or mindful of the person braiding your hair, and how far they're dipping your hair into the hot water when they're done with the braids. They shouldn't go past the end of the braids. The hot water is to seal the end of the braids so the braids don't come unraveled. You shouldn't have half of your hair dipped into the water if your braids are not that short. So you just want to be mindful of that so that you can tell the braider when they're at that point, to just not dip your hair far into the hot water. Also, another thing is you want to be mindful of your hair texture. So if you have finer hair, I noticed that is it the the finer hair works better if you get a hair that is lighter. So like the Marley hair is a lighter type texture of extension, and that would work better for somebody that has fine hair. And it won't, like I said, create that much tension on the hair. Also, if you get the braids smaller, the braids that doesn't cause a lot of tension if you have smaller braids versus the big kind of like jumbo or large knotless or box braids. Another thing you can do is if you have thicker, healthier hair, you can use pretty much any kind of hair, but you just want to be mindful of how much is being added, because even if you have healthy hair, your hair can still be pulled and weighed down from the amount of hair you're adding onto the hair you already have. And also, the last tip would be to remind your braider or whoever's braiding your hair, even if it's yourself, not to braid your hair tight. Your hair can still look good and it can still last a long time without the braids being tight. And you don't want to spend that much time and that amount of money and have to take your braids out. So you want to be mindful of how the person is braiding your hair, and just give them a little reminder. It's nothing wrong with just reminding them before you even start that you would like a lighter touch, a softer hand, to braid your hair. So that's what I have for you guys today. And I hope that this helps. Thank you for spending time with me, listening to me, watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with someone that you think it might help. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.